Hey, the next tool I'm going to cover, I'm going to skip over digital pointer because it seemed the exact same as the red X tool. Not really sure why it's a thing. Is the drawing tool. Actually pretty useful. When this is open, you can draw circles, ovals, rectangles, polygons, or just like free-form shapes. I'll show this real quick. Choose what color, and then I can draw whatever I want. Once that thing's drawn, I can then send it to my people. I can delete it. I can give it a name if I want. It's called freehand 1 in this case, but I'm just going to delete that guy. In the drawing tool, we'll go with circles real quick. It's kind of neat. So the first one is tap the desired center point. I'll put it around myself. So I'm the center point, and the radius, we'll put it that right there. I have a big circle. If I click on it and I go to the detail pane, I can change the name of it. I can change again its center point. I can change how its radius. Say it's 10 kilometers in radius. Change how much area, circumference. I can change how many rings there are spaced out in this case 10-kilometer increments. You can change its color. You can change its like how translucent it is. Change how thick the outside of it is. I can add stuff to it. I can give it remarks, all that good stuff. One additional thing you can do, if I click on it, I can make it a geofence. And I will cover this in a different video, but just be aware that you can enable geofence by clicking on an object first. And yeah, ovals, not too far off, squares, polygons, it's all more or less the same thing. Very useful stuff.